Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. Basically, we need to understand why our device is starting to slowing down. So, of course, let's start. We have starting to use this device. This device was really fast and very powerful, but after the time, our device starts to slow down, and we need to repair this problem because the hardware of this device is really great, and now after years, our device must to be powerful too, fast and quick. So our device is starting to slow down because of three reasons. We have now too much space in internal storage. We have now too much space in the RAM, and we have a lot of junk files in our device. So let's start with the first question. So firstly, we need to open the settings. Open the settings and scroll down, find here battery and device care, and find here storage. Click on it to see how much space this item is using. Turn on user data access to my files. Okay. Scroll down, find here files application. I can't find it. Why? Oh, my files. Great. Click on it and go back. And cool. So as you can see, I have used only 14% of my internal storage. And of course, my device works and goes really fast. But when you fill up your internal storage over the 70%, full 70%, it's somewhere here, your device will start to slowing down. So, of course, the winner is one who invests in a device with a more temporary storage. Not temporary, but internal storage. But you need to just remove old files, old applications you are not using from your device to improve your device wellness. Okay? So, it's a very good idea to move your videos and photos to the cloud storage, to remove applications and games if you're not using these apps. So because we just need to do it. Okay, go back, and what we have here, as you can see, we have the memory. Click on it. We have memory, and as you can see now, I have used 4 gigabytes from 12 gigabytes. But now I'll show you one thing. Click about device, software. Not the software. I wanna find the hardware information. Maybe I have no it. Okay, I have no this information here. Okay, so I just want to show you that we have the RAM expansion on our device. So what is the RAM? RAM is the storage, temporary storage on our device. That very fast, and all processes are running at the moment. They are running in RAM, and here again the winner one who invests in device with a more temporary storage. But here, for example, as you can see, we have RAM plus future. What is this? RAM plus is the feature that using the part of your internal storage for the RAM tasks. So you have really fast internal storage, and your device can use the small part from the internal storage for 256 gigabytes to use it like a RAM. And I suggest to enable maybe not the 8 gigabytes, but I suggest use 4 or 6 gigabytes RAM boost. Okay, cool. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is the junk files. So here, somewhere here, we have the application for clean junk files on our device. Unfortunately, I can't find it, but we can do it from the same menu. So we have all things here in the battery and device care. So click on it, and here we can use that. We have used applications, we have used 1, 2, 3 unused apps. So for example, as you can see, I have unused apps, so remove these applications. But maybe here, okay, optimize now. Great. Optimize now. Just click on battery and device care and click optimize now. And this will search for viruses on your device. Virus scanning is turned off. We need to enable it. Click device care and turn on the device protection. And with this feature, your device will scan from time to time to remove junk files from your device. And great. From time to time, you can open the memory and click clean now to remove unused apps from the temporary storage. And in this way, you will keep your device always in good condition. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.